Hi friends, in this lecture we'll study working with crop tool in Photoshop. So I'll first open some document like this, and when I want to work with the crop tool, I'll press C to select this crop tool from the toolbar. The moment I press C, you'll see these four handles come at the corner, dragging which I can crop my image. However, if I want a crop of my size, then I can drag and draw the crop up to the dimensions which I prefer, like this. Once I've drawn the crop, I can once again resize it by clicking on the handles like this. I can click on either of the four handles, or I can click in the center and move the crop up or down, left or right, till it comes to my specifications. Now, if you want to change the ratio of the crop, you can specify from here. So if you click on this drop down over here, you can change the ratio to 1:1 square, 4:5, or any of the predefined ratios. If you want to swap the horizontal and vertical axis, click here and it would get swapped. If you want to change this default ratio, then just click on clear and it will change the default ratio like this. So this is the default ratio, and then you can one more time try to adjust the crop to the dimensions which you prefer. Then after you have understood this, you get an option over here when you click that currently it is showing you the crop in the rule of third, but you can go for grid, diagonal, or triangle, or golden ratio, or even the golden spiral. If you want to cycle between this, you can just press O, which helps you cycle the overlay like this. If I press O, it can cycle the overlay, or I can press Shift O to change the orientation of the cycled image. Okay, so right now I'm making it back to rule of thirds. Now, if this option by default is checked, and if I click on save, then it will save only this much part of the image and all the hidden part would get lost, and it would obviously reduce the file size. But if I uncheck this mark, then it will save the crop, but my data is not lost. In the sense, if I select the crop one more time, I can still alter my crop. Okay, you can see that the crop is still there, the image is still there, and you can alter it to whatever dimensions you prefer, horizontal, vertical, to your choice, because it didn't delete the cropped images. So keep this in mind to disable this option in case you want to save the area which is hidden from the crop. Now, in this settings option, you also get an option for adjusting the opacity of the hidden area. This is the hidden area. You can adjust the opacity from here, and you can see you can increase the opacity or you can reduce the opacity. The default opacity is maintained at 75%, and then I can click on OK. Once I am happy with my crop settings, then I can click on this tick mark and it will confirm my crop like this. So friends, hope you have identified or understood how to work with the crop tool in Photoshop. With this, we end this lecture and we'll meet once again in the next lecture. Till that time, goodbye.